Our question is p square into q square into p square plus q square plus 3 equal to 1. We have to prove. Okay, want p square. Here given is p. Just square it here. P square is equal to cos power 4 theta by sin square theta. Want also q square. Just it also square. We get sin power 4 theta cos square theta. Our LHS equal to p square into q square, p square plus q square plus 3. Just apply those things here. What p square? Cos power 4 theta by sin square theta and q square into sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. Now p square cos power 4 theta by sin square theta plus q square sin power 4 theta by cos square theta plus 3. Okay. Cos power 4 cos square. This 4 and 2 get cancelled. We remain just 2. Here also same. What we remain? Cos square theta and here sin square theta. Just 4 2 in just 2. This cross multiple. This is in the form of a given by b plus c by d. Multiple those things. A plus c into b into d. Okay. We get cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta plus 3. It remains same, cos square theta into sin square theta. Now again cross multiple. Assume it has 1 multiple 1 into cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta plus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta. Our denominator what? Sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. Sin square theta, cos square theta here also. X in multiplication, x in denomination, both get cancelled. What we remain? Cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta plus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta. This cos power 6 theta we can write it as cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. Okay. Why we should write it? Like see at the end of this video. Okay. Now it's in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay. What's the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube minus 3 into ab into a plus b. Instead of cos, here a, sin, here b. Just apply the, we get what? A cos square theta plus sin square theta. Wait, here a is cos square theta. A is equal to cos square theta and b is equal to sin square theta. Applying this formula, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta whole cube minus 3 into cos square theta into sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta what? 1 cube. Here cube is 3 cos square theta into sin square theta. It remains same, cos square theta into sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta what? 1. Oops, we missed this term. Plus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta. Where is gone? Put it there. We just solved cos square theta plus sin square theta is in the form of a plus b whole cube minus 3 into a into b, a plus b. It remains same now. 3 sine square theta into cos square theta. So it comes in down also, plus 3 into sine square theta into cos square theta. 1 minus 3 cos square theta into sine square theta plus 3 sine square theta into cos square theta. This minus 3 cos square theta into sine square theta, this plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta, both are get cancelled. We got just simply 1. We proved here. We proved